Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to toggle the touchpad on Predator 17. So there are two different methods of doing that and they don't work interchangeably. So if you do it through the first method, it may not work through the second method. And the first method is very simple. If you disable it through the first, you may not be able to enable it from the second. And the first one is using the keyboard. On the keyboard you can find two buttons. You can find this one here next to the touchpad. If you click on it and it turns red, then it's basically off. You can click on that again and it turns green. But there's also the F7 key, which combined with FN key should do exactly the same, but doesn't turn the light below red. So like there are actually three methods because there are two with a keyboard. So if you disable it with F7, then you won't really know it's disabled until you try it. If none of these methods work, then you need to do that through the settings. And first I'm gonna show you how to disable it using the mouse. Then I'm gonna show you how to enable it if you don't have a mouse, just using the keyboard. So if I go to devices, in settings, and then touchpad and disable it, now it's disabled. I have an external mouse, but I'm not gonna use it now. I'm gonna click on Alt F4 to close that up. Then click on Windows key on your keyboard and start typing in settings. Click on enter and then click on tab. Tab moves between sections of items. So use the tab until you go to system. Then use the arrows to go to devices. Click on space to open that. Then click on tab to go to Bluetooth or other devices. And if you're not able to do that, if you went too far, that's what I mean, you can click on shift and tab to go back. Then Bluetooth and other devices, use arrows to go to touchpad, click on space, tab, space, and now the touchpad is on. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.